You know, there's always this burning question when one is about to start a business. And it's not just about what product to sell or which market to target, but something fundamental. Where should you incorporate your business? Before we answer this crucial question, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics designed to help save you time and money. Now, you might think your home state is the best option for incorporation. And sure, that can work. But it might surprise you to find out that many business owners opt for incorporating in states that offer the most benefits for their particular business structure. It's a strategic move that can save you a lot of headaches and, let's be honest, a good chunk of change in the long run. Take Delaware, for example. It's a small state, but it packs a punch when it comes to business-friendly policies. Did you know that more than 1 million business entities have chosen Delaware as their legal home? Yeah, it's that popular. And why is that? It's because Delaware has a well-established body of corporate law that tends to favor businesses. It offers flexibility, privacy, and some attractive tax benefits that can make a huge difference for a startup. Now, if you're eyeing a place with no corporate income tax, Nevada might just be your paradise. It's a great option, especially for businesses that plan to have a high level of income. And, just a little tidbit to tickle your interest, Nevada doesn't share information with the Internal Revenue Service, which might give you a bit more privacy. And oh, we cannot forget Wyoming, with its friendly business environment that offers no corporate state income taxes and protection of personal assets. It's like a fortress for your business and personal assets, keeping them safe and secure. But of course, choosing the best state for incorporation is not a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. It involves considering various factors like the nature of your business, your target market, and long-term business goals. That's where we come in. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We specialize in helping dreamers like you in setting up business structures across the USA. Our experts can walk with you every step of the way, taking care of all the nitty-gritty details like licensing and registration, so you don't have to. We just want to make the process smoother and easier for you, giving you more time to focus on what you do best, building your empire. For full-scale help with incorporation, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you're welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, which states have you been considering? Drop a comment below and let us know what's on your mind before incorporation. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business grow and make consistent profits.